How to download and install 7-zip on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, pull up your web browser, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, we'll have to download it directly from the trusted sources directly on 7-zip official website. Just simply type in 7-zip and then choose on the very first result, which is 7-zip.org, which is their official website. So as you can see right here, they have the most generic one, which is going to be 25.1, the most recent or the latest version, and you can try to go down lower around 32 to 86-bit or ARMS64. You could also try to hit on download for you to be able to have multiple options like the exe files, MSI.7z or the tar.xz. It's all actually the same. So all I have to do is to go back home, download this very latest version, and then have it installed on your laptop or PC, and then it will both work for Windows 10 and 11. And then that's it. It's how you download and install 7-zip on Windows 10 and 11.